Meron bang diet na nakadesign para pababain ang iyong umaakyat o umaahon na blood pressure? Ibababa niya. Yes, there is. Ang tawag sa diet na yan ay DASH diet. So, DASH. Ang ibig sabihin ng DASH diet ay Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. So, ito ay meal plan or recipe. So, nandyan. Okay? To mention, yung iba, no? Yung ibang mga pagkain, no? Whole grains, lean meats, vegetables, fruits, no? Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, fruits like apple, peaches, no, berries, fat-free or low-fat dairy product or food. Nuts, fats and oils like avocado, yan, olive oil, and canola oil. To mention, madami. So, what is the primary purpose of this diet? The primary purpose of this diet is to decrease sodium intake para pababain yung asin na kinakain mo. Why? Because salt or sodium plays a vital role in elevating your blood pressure. That's the reason why ini-eliminate natin yung excess o sobrang daming asin sa diet coming from canned foods or canned goods, galing sa mga processed food, mga sausawan na grabe yung sodium o asin na laman, no? Hindi naman sinabing huwag kang kumain nun. Ang sinasabi ay you need to control, you need to minimize and measure, no, yung asin. Okay? So, ang ating namang gustong mangyari dito ay mag-provide tayo ng fiber, no, mag-provide ng potassium. Potassium. Why potassium? Potassium is healthy sa ating puso. Okay, so in this diet, no, kapag na-maintain natin tong diet na to, it will not only lower down our blood pressure. Actually, meron pa itong ibang mga benefits. Nai-improve din ito yung cholesterol levels, nare-reduce yung risk sa mga heart problems, etc. Madami. Kaya ang ganda ng diet na to. But unfortunately, maraming mga Pilipino ang hindi nakakakain ng ganitong klase ng diet. Maybe because they are not aware about this one and also because of lifestyles. So, in this case, pwede kayong mag-take ng beetroot along with the DASH diet. Okay. So, beetroot ay gummies, no? Ito ay beetroot ng Nature's Key. Tutulungan nito ang iyong katawan na palakihin o sumusuporta na palakihin yung mga blood vessel o daanan ng dugo. What is the reason bakit kailangan magkaganon when it comes to hypertension? Because the more na lumalaki yung blood vessel natin o yung daanan ng dugo, yung tinatawag na artery, the more na bumababa yung blood pressure. Ang tawag doon, vasodilation. Okay? Gumaganon. So, remember this. Pag bumubo ka, bumababa yung blood pressure. Kapag ka sumisikip, tumataas yung blood pressure. The purpose of this gummy ng Nature's Key, ng beetroot, is to increase the size of that blood vessel, and what will happen? The blood pressure will go down. It will prevent many heart problems at yung ibang mga problema like stroke. So, ang dami, no? Ganda. Natural pa. Nature's Key beetroot. Check out nyo na yan sa Yellow Basket. Bye for now.